Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, it's all about Mihlali and Leroy. Taken to Twitter guys, Mihlali posted some pictures of herself with bruises and quickly deleted. So guys, we all know of Mihlali and Leroy's relationship where there were allegations of cheating and financial issues. We know that Mihlali accused Leroy of owning her money from their trip to Mexico, while Leroy was seen living a lavish life in Dubai. So guys, Leroy was still married to his ex-wife, which is Mary Jane, when he started dating Mihlali guys. So leading to a criticizing and labeling Mihlali as a homewrecker. Despite their messy breakup, guys, rumors suggest that Mihlali and Leroy have wrinkled their romance, sparkling debate among social media users. Relationship drama has played out on social media with both parties exchanging heated messages and accusations. So, guys, when we thought it all ended, everything is cool now, Mihlali goes onto Twitter to post these pictures and captured it. "Thank you, my angel Leroy," and quickly deleted the pictures. But as we know, social media, or being social media, some people are very quick at capturing such things. People noticed and they started posting the same pictures that she deleted, and this is what some had to say. One says, "I want Mihlali Ndamase to make an example of Leroy. This is for the second time. I choose to stand with a and a homewrecker. Mihlali Ndamase must come for everything. She must ensure that Leroy doesn't recover at all from this." And guys, the other one went on to say, "No matter what Mihlali did or said, nobody has the right to physically assault anyone who punishes Leroy when she is the one at fault." So guys, the other one posted that Mihlali posted and removed pictures showing her face with bruises along with caption, "Thank you, my angel Leroy." And this guys take us to a relationship like this famous people's relationship. Always guys, they don't end up well. But anyway guys, please do comment below and let me know what you have to say about this, and please guys do subscribe if you haven't done so.